Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by getting Chrome installed and ready. Download the Windows installer, run it as administrator, and open the browser. Sign in with your Google account so your bookmarks, passwords, and extensions sync across devices. Once done, make sure to set Chrome as your default browser and import any bookmarks from another browser to avoid losing data. This step gives you a consistent environment and saves time later. It also enables extensions and sync features that we'll use next. Now customize Chrome so it works the way you do. Open Settings and set your default search engine, startup pages, and appearance. Install key extensions like an ad blocker, a password manager, and a tab organizer to boost productivity. Once installed, make sure to configure extension permissions and enable safe browsing under privacy and security to reduce malware risk. Also, manage site permissions, camera, mic, location, so only trusted sites can access them. This balance. To finish, learn advanced features. Create separate profiles for work and personal use, use Chrome's Task Manager to kill resource-heavy tabs, and open dev tools for deeper page inspection. Once done, keep Chrome updated via About Chrome to get security fixes. If pages misbehave, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions to isolate the problem, and restart. If crashes persist, reset settings or reinstall Chrome. One key troubleshooting tip: try an incognito window. If the issue vanishes, an extension or cached data is likely the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.